What's up guys, Clint here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Today we're standing behind a 2023 NXT 24. It's in the beautiful Canadian blue flake, as you see, throughout the whole boat. We come back here again on the swim platform. You have the upgraded swim seat, plops down into the water like so. Let's check out the rest of the boat. As we come into the boat, you see the interior color is a nice beach tan with the navy accents throughout the whole boat. If you walk towards, we have the tan sea deck throughout the whole boat as well. Other cool features, we still have the communicating storage all the way out through the bow. So surfboards, wakeboards, big bulky stuff. You're gonna have two clips, dual speakers on top of the tower. Again, your standard clamping racks all the way from NXT to XR line. That's standard with MasterCraft. Analog gauges and toggle switches. And you still have a screen for your presets for surf lift, surf right, presets for wakeboarding, cruise control, everything you need to do throughout your day on the water. Again, if you want to see this boat and others, come check us out at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. My name is Clint Riether. Hope to see you soon.